There's nothing much about my introduction, guys. Myself, Sandeep, uh, IT geography, geography optional, IR and ethics. So, have been part of Byju's from long, but these are my first batches with respect to your live classes. So that we can discuss, as I have given number, you can talk to me. We can discuss about those. Okay. Shall we start this? Yes. Guys, one quick revision for all of you. Whenever I have horizontal clouds, what do you normally call it, guys? Horizontal clouds, stratus. Good. Guys, if at all I have vertical clouds and cotton ball shaped clouds, what do we call it as? Cumulus. Can you tell me if the same horizontal clouds, if it is dark color just before rainfall, if it is dark color, what do you call it as? Nimbostratus. Good. Can you tell me if at all you have lot of cumulus clouds spread across the sky? Cumulus clouds spread across the sky, then what do you call it as? Stratocumulus. Good. Guys, in between 2 to 6 kilometers, in between 2 to 6 kilometers, if any cloud is there, we call it as alto. Good. I have two types of alto. One is alto cumulus, another one is alto stratus. Can you tell if some clouds are greater than 6 kilometers? We call it as cirrus. If that cirrus clouds is horizontally spread, we call it as cirrostratus. And if it is in the form of cotton ball shape, we call cirrocumulus. Everyone, here I want you to know, as Neelanjana was telling, cirrostratus normally look like mackerel fish. So it is called as mackerel sky. Sorry, yeah. Not stratus, but it is cumulus. Cirrocumulus is called as mackerel sky. Actually, guys, there is a fish called as mackerel fish, and that fish normally looks like stripes like this. On the fish, you get stripes like this, and that is similar to cirrocumulus. So we call it as mackerel sky. Okay. Have you any time observed in the sky you will have a rainbow, this complete rainbow? Have you observed? That is formed due to, or that is called as solar halo. Halo. Okay. Sometimes you find complete circle as well, ma'am. That is called solar halo. Huh. Very rare you get this. Very rare you get this. They are called solar halo, and it is associated with cirrostratus clouds. Solar halo is associated with cirrostratus clouds. Okay. All this was revision, guys. Can you people tell me cloud burst? Cloud burst is associated with which cloud, guys? Cumulonimbus. Good. Thunderstorm. Thunderstorm. And lightning is associated with cumulonimbus clouds. Okay, guys, similar to other clouds. Okay, can you tell me, guys, at the end of the day, if I say cumulonimbus, can I say they are vertical clouds which are rising above, guys? Okay, just remember how cumulonimbus clouds are formed. Cumulonimbus clouds are formed whenever air rises vertically. Yeah, whenever air rises vertically, we normally call it as, like, cumulonimbus. Ma'am, that rainbow shape is called cirrostratus, ma'am. Now the last one we have is with respect to hailstorms. Have you ever observed, along with rainfall, some big ice particles will fall? Have you observed? Big ice particles. Big ice particles. They are called hailstorms. Okay. Now, how are hailstorms formed? Yes. See, ma'am, how are hailstorms formed? Yesterday it occurred in our city. Good. Is it summer season? No, no, Kamalpal. It is not similar to sleet. Sleet is mixture of snow and ice. Okay. Everyone you see? Yes, Sushmit. Correct. So you see, whenever air rises, okay, whenever air rises, in geography, rising air can be called as updraft. Okay, in geography, rising air is called updraft. Now what happens? Let us say I have lot of water particles and I have lot of ice crystals. Now guys, whenever the cloud is raised, what is going to happen? The air will also rise, guys. So whenever the air rises, let us say there is a particle here, it hits, increases the size. Do you recollect, guys? As the air collides with other one, as there is collision, is there possibility of coalescence also? So what is going to happen? The size of the ice particles keeps on increasing. You see, a cloud is raised. As cloud is raised, like we can see that the particles collide, and as the particles collide, it will coalesce, and as it coalesces and comes down, it is going to have some ice particles. These ice particles are called hail. See guys, whenever water collides with ice, what is going to happen? Around ice, water will be formed into ice. So when, just imagine, I throw a ice into a cloud. What is going to happen? The ice will hit the water particles, and around the water particles or around the ice, water particles will condense. And as it condenses, what is going to happen? The size keeps on increasing, and once it comes down, the size decreases and it will fall down as hail. Okay, it will fall down as hail. See, okay, see guys, whenever ice is rising, okay, ice hits water or water hits ice, what is going to happen? Let us say I have ice. As soon as water hits it, water condenses around the ice to form another layer, and again another water will condense around it to form another layer. So around ice particle, water will condense to form ice particle, and this ice particle, if it falls on the earth, we call it hailstorm. And guys, for this to happen, for this to happen Yes, Anjali. For this to happen, you tell me, if small cloud is there, will it happen? If a huge cloud like cumulonimbus cloud is there, it will happen. Please. Do you need a small cloud or a huge cloud? You need really a huge cloud. Guys, please understand. Please understand. Uh, it will not happen every time. Yeah, Aditya, it happens both at a time. Patan, how there is ice crystal? Good. Can I say if a cloud is there from 0 to 8 kilometers, as we go above, can I say water will become ice? Patan, you tell. As we go above, temperature reduces. Can we say that water becomes ice? And that is how ice particles are there. Yes. Can you please write along with me? Yes. Did you? Okay, draw this first, guys. Draw this first. Yes, Akshay. Water rises due to push. Guys, you tell me if at all this is a cloud, okay, bottle. If I rise the bottle, can I say water inside the bottle will also shake? If I shake the bottle, water inside also will shake. Similarly, whenever cloud rises, particle inside the cloud also will push. Neil, not necessary hilly areas, but hilly areas will also get good amount of rainfall. Lightning happens because the charged particles, when they react with each other, Nilanjana, within the cloud there will be some charged particles, and when these charged particles interact, you get lightning. XY, I don't know your name. Remember, process no one will ask. Some terminologies are important that I will give you. Remember that, it's enough. Yeah. Through cumulonimbus clouds can be formed anywhere. Wherever vertical movement of air is there, in all those areas, cumulonimbus clouds will be formed. This is purely for prelims, guys, not for mains. In prelims also, once in a while, they will ask few questions interrelated with other topics, not directly from this topic. Yeah, Tina, that question was different, not directly associated with clouds. These clouds, stratus, cumulus, and all. Yes, Neelanjana. Can I move? Done with drawing? We know the topics are divided into, like, there is nothing called prelims and mains. I'm teaching for both prelims and mains, but while teaching I'm trying to tell you which topics are important for prelims more, which topics are important for mains more. For example, if you talk about evolution of atmosphere, it can be asked in both prelims and mains. If you look at structure of atmosphere, it can be asked in both prelims and mains. Heat budget is mostly for mains. Like this, the topics are not divided into purely mains and prelims. Black and white is not there, but some topics are more relevant for prelims. Now, everyone, whenever a well developed cumulonimbus clouds are updrafted violently. Cumulonimbus clouds are updrafted violently, then the water and ice crystals would collide and grow in size. As they further collide, water would condense around ice to form hail. Yes, you tell me, whenever there is hailstorms, will it damage the crop or is good or is it good for crops? When hail hit the ground, it is hailstorm. Everyone? Hayat, ice will be normally fresh water. So it will be neutral. Yeah, Anil, whenever we get question, I'll explain that. Done with this, guys. Can I move to the next one? Next topic? Yes. Guys, everyone. See, guys, now we will move to the next most important and interesting topic called as atmospheric circulation. Through ice will be melted into water in case even after melting, if some ice is left, then it will form hail. Okay, it will melt. Even after that, it will come and fall, then it is hail. G Sony, ma'am, just imagine rocks, ice rocks falling on the ground. What is going to happen? It would lead to damage. Okay, guys, can you tell me what is convectional rainfall? What is convectional rainfall? Whenever air rises vertically, whenever air rises vertically, it is called as convection. Correct? It is called as convection. Now you tell, whenever air rises vertically, will you get cumulus clouds or stratus clouds? Cumulus or stratus? Cumulus. So obviously you will get rainfall. Okay. Huh. Pooja, I told you here, when ice is very small particle, it will not come down. Only when ice is growing in size, it will come down. Please in internet search for what you call as hail. Okay, search for what you call as hail. You get to know how big it would be. Yeah, fine. Because for some time I'm going to make it full screen. I won't be seeing your comments because let me explain this concept in greater detail. Later, I'll come to other aspects. Atmospheric circulation means we will be studying about latitudes and longitudes. We will also try to study about rotation and revolution. We will try to study, guys, this is under climatology, guys. Another chapter under climatology is atmospheric circulation. Latitudes and longitudes, rotation and revolution, these two topics are present in 6th standard NCERT, guys. And one question every year is asked on rotation and revolution. So this is very important topic. Then you see, we also have to look at a very simple point, right? Rotation, revolution, latitudes, longitudes. Forces responsible for movement of air. Circulation is all about movement of air. We will see all the forces that leads to movement of air. And then we will talk about pressure belts. In this, we will also talk about Hadley cell, ferrule cell, and polar cell. After pressure belts, after pressure belts, I'm also going to talk about wind circulation. Wind circulation. So I will have three types of winds. Primary winds, which are known as planetary winds. Secondary winds, which are known as seasonal winds. Tertiary winds, which are also local winds. So I have primary, secondary, and tertiary. Three types of winds. All this we will be covering under atmospheric circulation. A very, very important topic, right? And conceptual. I will be using what all we studied till now. Okay. So guys, first let me explain the concept in detail, and I will give you time. You ask me questions, then I will explain everything, because the basic concepts are done. Now it's all about applications. That's all. Now, the first most important topic that we all need to talk is latitudes and longitudes. Okay, so we have two things, latitudes and longitudes. Now when I consider what are these latitudes, see this. Now if you look at this particular one, okay, so people took equator. People considered equator, and it is exactly at the middle. Okay, it is exactly at the middle. Now from equator, when we start going above and when we start going below, let me explain one after the other. Let me tell you. First thing, what they did. So let us say this is Earth. I have cut Earth into half, and what I knew was the center of the Earth. So from the center of the Earth, I drew like this. So I got like this. Okay. To a horizontal line, to any horizontal line, if you draw a vertical line, this will be 90-degree north. This will be 90-degree north. To this line, if you draw below, it will be 90 degrees south. Okay, and the one which is present exactly at the center, the one which is present exactly at the center is your equator. Okay, equator, which divides earth into two equal halves. Equator divides earth into two equal halves. And second point, any line which divides any line which divides earth into two halves is known as great circle. Okay, guys, remember, anything which divides earth into two halves is known as great circle. Okay, so equator is called as great circle. Equator is also called as great circle. Now, it was easy to draw equator because it was exactly at the center. Now, what they did, they took, let us say, 30-degree. Okay, 30-degree. And this is 30-degree. So they drew 30-degree like this, 30-degree like this. Okay, this they called it as 0-degree. Equator, they called it as 0-degree, north or south. Okay, equator can be 0-degree north or south. Now they were confused. What to give to this. Now you see, I got this to be 30-degree. I got this to be 30-degree. Now both are 30-degree. People will be confused. So what they did, above 0-degree, if you have anything, we will call north. If you have anything below, it is called south. So latitudes are normally given in north or south direction. This is another important point. Then what happened? As earth is spherical, see, yes, earth is spherical. So due to this, what is going to happen? Everyone, you see, this line at the equator will be bigger. This line at the poles will be smaller. See, this will be smaller. And this will also be smaller. So if I go towards the poles, what is going to happen? The length is decreasing. Okay, the length is decreasing. So we say, due to geoid shape of earth, the length of latitude decreases poleward. Poleward means if you are going towards the poles. So what is going to happen? From here, if I go towards the poles, what is going to happen? The length of the latitude keeps on decreasing. And at 90 degrees, and at 90 degree, it will become a dot. At 90 degree, it will purely become a dot. So that is what we say. You see here, I have to just make a dot here. I have to make a dot here. Okay. Now you see, this is 30 degree. Let me assume this is 45 degrees. This is 45 degree. This is also 45 degree. 45 degree from the 0 degrees. You see what is happening? All these lines, if I keep drawing, all these lines are normally looking parallel to each other. So please understand, when we consider latitudes, latitudes are always parallel to each other. See, it will be like this. These lines are called latitudes. As I told, near North Pole and South Pole, you will have a dot. And can you see, area decreases from equator to poles. Area is decreasing from equator to poles. So as every latitude is parallel to another latitude, that is they do not converge. Fine. As they do not converge, they are called as parallels. Latitudes are also called as parallels. Fine. Latitudes are also called as parallels. And then this, and then. See guys, there will be 181 latitudes. How? 0 degree is one latitude. 1 to 90 degree north will be 90 latitudes. 90 latitudes. 1 to 90 degrees south will be another 90 latitudes. So you will have 90, 90, 180 plus 1. There will be in total 181 latitudes. In total, there will be 181 latitudes. Then guys, the distance between two latitudes, if I consider, is almost 111 kilometers. That is, let us say 0 degree to 1 degree north. How much is the distance? 111 kilometer. Let us say 30 degree to 31 degree. How much is the kilometer? 111 kilometer. So we normally have per latitude distance is 111 kilometers. Fine. One last point is there, guys. I'll write here. Latitudes are drawn from, everyone see here, latitude is drawn from west to east or east to west, guys. Okay, are drawn from east to west, whereas they represent north and south direction. North and south direction. Latitudes are normally drawn in, you see, the direction is east to west, but representation is north and south. West to east or east to west, doesn't matter. Because all these are imaginary lines. All these are imaginary lines. Done with this? The shape of the first figure is to cut a globe into half. Okay, I have cut the globe into half. Don't worry about it. Okay, everyone wrote this? Yes. Neelanjana, no. Everywhere it will be same. Ma'am, total distance divided by total latitudes gives us 111 kilometer. Okay. You see, guys, these lines, these lines are called as latitudes. And the latitudes are drawn from east to west. Those people who do not know this, north, south, west, and east is. Okay? Now, everyone, look at this carefully. Now we will talk about longitudes. Longitude, however you call, you can use it, guys. You see, it was easy, it was very easy for me to draw latitudes because I got equator point. And as I keep going above, I understood that it varies. But if I want to draw vertical lines, why is this vertical line important? You see, if I draw only latitudes, what is the use of this latitude and longitude? The use of latitude and longitude is to locate places. How? So let us say I will take Earth. I drew all the latitudes. Okay? I drew all the latitudes. Now this is equator. Now I will tell my house is at 23.5 degree north. Okay, I'm trying to tell that my house is at 23.5 degree north. This I'm trying to tell. Okay, but the problem is this is 23.5. This entire line is 23.5. So where is my house in this entire line? I cannot tell. But if I draw longitudes like this, okay, then I will tell everyone, see here, my house is here. What is the meaning of my house here? I will tell it is at 23.5 degree north and it is at 80 degree east. The point where 80 degree east and 23.5 degree north meets, my house is in that particular place. So this helped me to have a grid, guys. To form a complete grid, what do you need? You need latitudes and longitudes. Both are very, very important. Okay? So now people were confused. Where exactly should we draw the longitudes? Okay, where exactly we should draw the longitudes? Then what they did? They actually chose a place. They actually chose a place which was passing over Greenwich in UK. So what did they do? They said, in this line, in this line, we will call it as 0 degree longitude. The line which passes exactly through UK is called as Greenwich. Okay, and that was called as 0 degree longitude. Okay, 0 degree longitude. And as it is 0 degree, they call it as prime meridian. Okay, longitudes, here you see, longitudes are normally called as prime meridians. Longitude is normally called as prime meridian. You see, the line which passes through Greenwich in UK, why, like, is called as prime meridian. They chose Greenwich. Yes. The reason was UK was powerful at that time, so they convinced and they chose. This is called as prime meridian. Okay. So now what happened? Now what happened? You see, everyone, if I choose this line as prime meridian, you see, if I choose this line as prime meridian, 0 degree, okay, for earth to go around and come, for earth to go around and come, you will have 360 degrees, guys. Okay, earth, one complete circle, one complete circle is 360 degree. Now you see, if 0 degree is present here, exactly opposite, okay, if 0 degree is present here, exactly opposite is called as what? 180 degree. If 0 degree is present, exactly opposite was 180 degree. So we can say 0 degree east or west, 180 degree east or west. Okay, you see guys, earth is divided into 360 degrees. So you will have 0 degree here, exactly opposite you will have 180 degree. So 0 to 180, 0 to 180. Okay, we have latitudes complete circle, we are getting longitudes complete circle. Latitudes, there is no need to worry because one circle is complete here. Longitudes are seen one side and it is moving on the other side. So if 0 degree is called as prime meridian, 180 degree is called as anti-meridian or anti-meridian. 180 degree is called as anti-meridian. Okay. And guys, people said, we want a line to start calculating the time. Okay. See, time varies from one place to another place. Time is not same, and time depends upon rotation of the earth. So guys, you see, if you are basically If you are basically sun, if you can see South America, if you can see South America, it is day in South America. If you can't see South America, South America will have night. If you see Australia, Australia will have day. If you see Asia, if you see Africa, then Africa will have day. That means normally we try to say that, we try to say that time is not same everywhere. It changes with the rotation of the earth. So with the rotation of the earth, what are you observing? Different lines are coming in front of you. So time is normally calculated with the help of longitudes. And to calculate the time, we normally consider prime meridian. Prime meridian is also called as international international standard time. Prime meridian is also called as international standard time. Okay, no need to have definitions of prime meridian and all. Okay, the longitude which passes through Greenwich in UK is called as prime meridian. Okay, guys, can you tell me, to calculate the time, to calculate the time, they considered 0 degree as 12 noon. They considered 0 degree as 12 noon. Okay. Now you tell, if it is 12 noon, if it is 12 noon at 0 degree, can you tell me exactly opposite? If it is 12 o'clock here, exactly opposite, what will be the time? Exactly opposite, what will be the time? It will be 1:12 midnight. Can you people tell me, can you people tell me day and night, like date, okay, date, is it associated with midnight or is it associated with 12 noon? Date is associated with midnight or is it associated with noon? As date is associated with midnight and midnight is represented by 180 degree east or west, it will be called as international date line. International date line. Okay, guys, all these issues occurred in 18th century, guys. At that time, UK was the most powerful country, so UK's time period was accepted. Actually, French colonies, British colonies, everyone came and they all voted. But as you are aware, British colonies were more. So what happened? British got advantage and it passes through Greenwich is what they located. And that was a place where certain, what do you call as, astronomical things were also being done. Don't get into history, guys. This is geography. Just focus on why something is called. That's it. Why only UK? Why not Pakistan? This is all useless, right? So, if you see this particular one, you have prime meridian, you have anti-meridian, right? This is international date line. This is international standard time. 0 degree is international standard time and 180 degree is international date line. Guys, some points for you to write. You see, longitudes, longitudes are imaginary lines which are drawn from north to south, which are drawn from north to south, but they normally represent east and west. If anywhere you see 80° east, 80° west, 35° north, 35° south, okay? So if it is east and west, it is longitude. If it is north and south, it is latitude. Then you should not ask, sir, is it latitudinal, is it longitudinal, okay? From now on, whenever you see the term north and south, it is latitude. If you see the term east and west, then it is longitude. Then 0° east or west is prime meridian or Greenwich meridian. Prime meridian or Greenwich meridian. It is also called as International Standard Time. It is also called as International Standard Time. (180° east or west is anti-meridian or international dateline. Guys, there are 360 longitudes. There are 360 longitudes. How? 0° east or west, 180° east or west, 1 to 179° east, 1 to 179° west. This is one, this is one, this will be 179, this will be 179. So in total, I will have 360°. So I will have 360° longitudes. Okay. See, if I have Earth like this, if I draw line vertically, this is north to south. If I draw line horizontally, it is east to west. We use degree. We use degree because, do you recollect here I told degree? 90° from horizontal line. No, no, horizontal line 90 degree, 30 degree. That is why it is called degree. Guys, can I move? You see, guys, uh, you represent it in degree. Okay, degree is normally written like this, 30 degree. After degree, you also represent in minutes, guys. Minutes. Like, we say 30 degree, 25 minutes, right? So each degree is again divided into minutes. Minutes are divided into seconds. Let's not get into it. These are technical things. Yeah. Ma'am, latitudes will be circle, ma'am. All latitudes will be circle, not only half. Okay. Yes, I'll give 180 degree in detail. Yes, don't worry. Wait for a minute. Is this done, everyone? Is this done? Yes. Yeah. Now you see. Now you see. Everyone, observe carefully. Can you all tell me how much time will it take for Earth to rotate once? How much time will it take for Earth to rotate once? 24 hours. Yeah. Now, how many longitudes do you have in total? 360. 360 longitudes to cover once. It will take 24 hours. Okay. So 360 degree is equal to 24 into 60. 60 minutes. Okay. So 60 ones are 66 are 6 ones are 6 fours are 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes. Okay, 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes. 15 degree is equal to 60 minutes. That is, it will be 1 hour. 7.5 degree is equal to 30 minutes. 7.5 degree is equal to 30 minutes. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? Everyone see here. If this is 0 degree, okay, everyone see carefully. If this is 0 degree, this side I will have Eastern Hemisphere. Correct, guys? For 0 degree, this is called Eastern Hemisphere. This is called as Western Hemisphere. Everyone see here. It is 12 afternoon here, guys. Okay. It is 12 afternoon here. At 0 degree, it is 12 afternoon. Can you tell me, Earth rotates from where to where, guys? Earth rotates from where to where? West to east or east to west? Is it west to east or east to west? West to east. Earth rotates from west to east. Okay, a lot of people are writing east to west. I'm sorry. See, guys. Okay, I didn't teach. My mistake. Earth always rotates from west to east. Now, now, I want you people to tell me. Okay. You see, guys. Can you all look at India? In mine, can you look at India, guys? I know it's a small globe, but can you see India? Yes. Everyone, I will rotate the earth from west to east. Okay. I want you to tell me, will you see Arunachal Pradesh, Northeast India first, or will you see Gujarat first? See here, guys, slowly you see. Slowly you see. What are you seeing first? Arunachal Pradesh is coming first or Gujarat is coming first? Arunachal Pradesh is coming first. Good, good. So can you tell me, day starts first in the east or in the west, guys? Day starts first in the east or in the west? Okay. So you tell me, if I take this point, this is 180 degree. Okay, 180 degree. Now you tell me, A and B. A and B. A is in the west, B is in the east. Can you tell me which one will see sun's rays first? Which one will see sun's rays first? B. Can you tell me which one will have time ahead? Which one will have time ahead? B. B will have time ahead. Correct. Can you tell me, if I go from, like, 0 degree towards 180 degree in this direction, if I go in this direction, will time increase or will time decrease, guys? Not losing a day and all. I'm asking you, will time increase or will time decrease? Here, what is going to happen? Time increases. Very good. Guys, can you tell me here, if I go like this, what is going to happen? Time will decrease. Very good. Can you all help me? 15 degree means how many hours, guys? 15 degree means how many hours? 1 hour. 1 hour. You see, everyone observe this carefully. I'm going to draw. Don't discuss anything for a while. See carefully. 0 degree. This is my 15 degree. This is my 30 degree. This is my 45 degree. 60, 75, 90, then 105, then 120, 135, 150, 165, 180. Okay, 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 105. Here I'll have 120, 135, 150, 165, 180. Okay. Can you tell this side, guys? Can you see here also? 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, 135, 150. Okay, similarly. You see here what is happening? 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, 135, 150 is not visible. Okay? Yeah. Now my point is 0° east. East means I should add. Here it is 12 noon. Here it is 12 noon. Here it will be 1 a.m. Sorry, 1 p.m. 2 p.m. 3 p.m. 4 p.m. 5 p.m. 6 p.m. 7 p.m. 8 p.m. 9 p.m. 10 p.m. 11 p.m. 12 p.m. Can you all see? Did you get 180° as 12 p.m.? Is that midnight? Is that midnight? Yeah, 12 a.m. or 12 midnight. Here it will be what? 11. Yes, here it will be what? 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Yes. So guys, can you tell me day starts first? Yeah, Dilip, it is 12 a.m. 12 midnight. Okay, yeah. Can you tell me day starts first at which area, guys? Eastern or western? Eastern hemisphere or first western hemisphere? Eastern hemisphere. Good, good. You see here. You see here. If I take 180° east or west, okay, this is, just now I showed you, these were all eastern latitudes. This side you will have western. Gaurav, I didn't had place, Gaurav, that's why I couldn't write. Not only 135, I couldn't write because of lack of place, sorry. Okay, this is my 165, 150, 165° east, 150° east. Everyone, can you tell me one country is present here, A. Another country is present here, B. Can you tell me which will get sun's rays first? You do not talk about these things, guys. Okay. Guys, you see, some students are getting confused. Okay. You see this. Everyone see here. B is in western hemisphere. A is in eastern hemisphere. So can you tell me A is in Eastern Hemisphere, B is in Western Hemisphere. So if that is the case, which one will get first? A. Good. Guys, the country which is closest to 180 degree is today Kiribati Islands. Guys. Do you recollect Kiribati Islands anywhere? Did you hear about Kiribati Islands anywhere? Yes, Oceania. Good. Huh. Kiribati Islands. I think I have this here. Guys, you see here, this is 180 degree. Ma'am, don't worry about A and B. It is all about that 180 degree. Now, I want you to tell me, think and tell properly, guys. This is 180 degree. This is 180 degree. This is Eastern Hemisphere. This is Western Hemisphere. Western Hemisphere. Guys, let us say day will start first here. That means, let me assume Sunday will start first here. Can you tell me, if it is Sunday in Eastern Hemisphere, it will be which day in Western Hemisphere? Saturday. It will be one day behind. It will be one day behind. Yeah. Vartika, you're right. But can I say you need to start somewhere? You need to start somewhere. So that somewhere is 180 degree. That starting point for date is 180 degree. Okay. Now you see, guys, Russia is like this. Everyone first understand this. Later you can ask questions. I told you. You have Russia like this. Your house is here. Your office is here. Okay. Your house is here. Office is here. Is it easy for you to communicate? Is it easy to communicate? No. Why? One day change will be there. One day change will be there. So Russia told, let us say, like, your house is here, your school is here. They will tell Sunday is holiday, but for you it is still Saturday. So what they did, they don't want to have confusion. So they said, let me put it like this. Let me put it like this. Now you see, are both house and school in same hemisphere? House and school, are they in same hemisphere now? Yes. North America, okay, if you take North America and few islands were here. North America told, this is not good, I will push like this. Can you see, each one is pushing like this? Each one is pushing like this. If each one pushes, will you have straight line or will you have zigzag line? Will you have straight line or zigzag line? Zigzag. 180 degree is zigzag. 180 degree is zigzag. Now what happened? You had some islands here and there. These islands were known as Kiribati Islands. Kiribati Islands. Ma'am, 180, see, okay. Zarana, you tell, are these longitudes actual lines or reference lines, imaginary lines? Zarana, you tell, are these imaginary lines? When they are imaginary, can you shift according to your convenience? Yes. Now you see, these Kiribati Islands, they are present on either side of 180 degree. Okay. So this country was asked, like, you are split, what do you want? They told, we want to celebrate Christmas first. We want to celebrate New Year first. So what happened? They were shifted like this. Ma'am, date can be varied according to our convenience, Zarana. Don't think much. Date can be changed according to our convenience. If everyone writes same date, for example, you see, what is India's standard time? What is India's standard time? 82 and a half, 82 and a half, right? But can I say Northeast India time is different, Gujarat time is different? Yes. Northeast India should have 1 hour ahead, right? Gujarat should have 1 hour behind. But still, do we use same time? Okay. Now you see here, everyone. This is called Kiribati Island. Kiribati Island, and this line was shifted. Once upon a time, Japan was called as land of rising sun. Okay, once upon a time, Japan was called as land of rising sun. Today, Japan is not called as land of rising sun, but Kiribati Islands are the one to be called as land of rising sun. So, Simran, you're right. Kiribati Islands are the first one to get sun's rays. They are not part of Japan. They are independent of Japan. I don't want you to think of all these days. No one will ask you all this. These are all facts. That's it. What is important for you is you tell me 180 degree east or west. East or west. Can you please tell me 180 degree east or west? It is straight line or zigzag? It is zigzag. Kennedy, we showed Kiribati Islands. Equator passes through which countries? Shashi, you're right. Okay. Last one, guys. Last one. Can you tell me longitudes? Longitudes. Longitudes, do they converge or are they parallel, guys? Do they converge or are they parallel? Converge. Okay. Where do they converge, guys? Where do they converge? Where all the things will converge? They will converge near the poles. As longitudes, guys, 2 minutes I will give you a break, guys. Break started already. Just 2 minutes, I'll give you a break. Yeah. So if you take this, longitudes would converge. If longitudes converge near the poles, guys, the highest difference between two longitudes, where it will be there? Highest difference between two longitudes, where it will be there? Near equator. Very good. Nilanjana, very good. So, we normally say, I want you to write this down. Longitudes are not parallel, and they converge near poles. They converge near poles. So the longitudes have more distance between them, near equator. Near equator, the distance between longitudes is 111 kilometer. Next, all the longitudes divide Earth into two equal halves. So it is great circle. All longitudes are great circle. In latitudes, only equator is great circle. Someone asked, you see guys, as Earth rotates from west to east, east will appear first, west will appear later. Okay, so if sun's rays falls on northeast India first, time will be ahead in northeast India, time will be behind in Gujarat. For example, Gujarat will be night, northeast India will have morning, and then Gujarat will get morning, then Pakistan will get morning, then Saudi Arabia will get morning, then UK will get morning, then you will have North America, South America. That means from east to west, if we go, time keeps on reducing, or from west to east, if you go, time keeps on increasing. Tanvir, we have accepted it. We have accepted that we should have same. Okay? Yeah. And Avni, you see here, this is 0 degree, this is 0 degree, this is 180 degree. Okay? One side 180 degree, one side 0 degree. You take this longitude once. If you consider this longitude, can I say it divides Earth into two equal halves? You take this longitude now. Okay, I'll turn like this. You take this longitude now. This complete circle will form one circle and it divides Earth into two equal halves. So it is not just one side, it is on the other side also we consider. Okay, yeah. Now you see, when we move from west to east, time increases. When we move from east to west, time decreases. I want everyone to draw this in their notes. Vishant, I will give that. Vishant, please remind me after break. I will give you that. Earth rotates from west to east, guys. Earth rotates from west to east. Yes. Yes. 0 degree east or west, 180 degree east or west is same. Okay. 0 degree and 180 degree is same. Vartika, you are right. If one hemisphere is in AM, another hemisphere will be in PM. Now, so with respect to 0 degree, this is west, this is east. So this is called as Western Hemisphere. This is called as Eastern Hemisphere. If I take 180 degree, this will be Eastern Hemisphere, this will be Western Hemisphere. If Eastern Hemisphere is in Sunday, Western Hemisphere will be in Saturday. Okay. So now, you see, when a person goes from, okay, Western Hemisphere to Eastern Hemisphere, he was in Saturday, he suddenly entered into Sunday, he will lose a day. He will lose a day. But if a person goes from Eastern Hemisphere to Western Hemisphere, he was in Sunday, he went back one day. So he will actually gain a day. He will actually gain a day. See guys, if you are in Saturday, all of a sudden someone comes and tells you you are in Sunday. That means you lost a day. Okay. You thought it is Sunday, but one day you went back. That means you gained a day. That's what it means. Don't worry about clockwise, anti-clockwise. Anurag, I will teach clockwise, anti-clockwise later. As of now, remember west to east. Earth rotates from west to east. Jatin, what is confusing? Which part is confusing? You tell. You see, guys? You see, guys. Okay. Everyone, did you understand a basic fundamental thing? That is, if you take 180 degree, this side you have Eastern Hemisphere, this side you have Western Hemisphere. Okay. So, day starts first in Eastern Hemisphere. So, if you have Sunday here, you will have Saturday here. Is this clear, Jatin? Till here, is it clear? Yes. Now you tell, uh, let us say you cross this line. Okay, you cross this line. You were in Saturday. Did you enter into Sunday? Did you enter into Sunday? Yes. Did you lose a day or gain a day? In your life, did you lose one day or did you gain one day? Now you tell, you are in Saturday. Yes. You are in Sunday, you enter into Saturday. Do you gain a day? Yes. That's it, nothing much. When a person moves from western hemisphere to eastern hemisphere along 180 degree, then he would lose a day. If a person move from eastern hemisphere to western hemisphere along 180 degree, then he would gain a day. Amog, yes, it is an imaginary one. Everyone done with this? You see, guys, international dateline is not straight, but it is crisscross. Thank you, Hit. Aditya, now let us see the next concept. Rotation and revolution. Kavita, no. Because at 0 degree, we do not have date, we only have time. So that is not a problem. Where date is there, it is a problem. Okay. Everyone, guys, you see, is this straight or is it tilted? Earth, everywhere you see, is it straight or is it tilted? Tilted, correct? Guys, if I take a ball, okay, it is never tilted. If I take a ball, whether the ball is like this or whether the ball is like this doesn't matter. But Earth is not exactly like a ball, but Earth is geoid shape. What is the meaning of geoid shape? Earth is like, compressed near poles and bulged near equator. Bulged near equator. Okay, this is the shape of the Earth. And how exactly do you look at Earth? Earth will be present like this. So tilt means earth will be like this. But for our convenience, I don't want to draw earth like this. I will draw earth in a circular manner. I will draw earth in a circular manner. Sarana, first class I taught you the shape of the earth, geoid shape of the earth. See guys, if I take a spherical earth and if I consider this is horizontal axis, this is horizontal axis, then this is vertical axis. Okay, this is vertical axis. And what we observe is this one will be 90° north, this one will be 90° south. And this will be your equator. This is equator, this is 90° north, this is 90° south. Fine. Yeah. Then guess this is 23.5°. This is 23.5. Guys, you see, earth is tilted at 23.5 degrees, 5° to vertical axis. Remember this point properly. The word vertical axis is important. 23.5° is to vertical line. It will be 66.5 and 66.5° to horizontal axis. Earth is tilted at 23.5 to vertical axis, 66.5 to horizontal axis. Okay, guys, can you people tell me 90 minus 23.5 is how much? 90 minus 23.5 is how much? 66.5. So can I call this as 66.5° north? Can I say this is 66.5° south? This will be called as Arctic Circle. This will be called as Antarctic Circle. Guys, can you tell, is Earth straight or is Earth tilted, guys? Is Earth straight or Earth tilted? Pata 90 minus 60, 23 and a half. Lakshmi, you tell horizontal line, if it is drawn from east to west, do you call it latitude or do you call it longitude? Do you call it latitude or do you call longitude? Latitude. Latitude, can we call it as east west or should we call north south? Just now I told no. Latitude should always be given north to south. Nikita, latitude should always be given north south, longitude should always be given east west. Yeah. You see, guys, this is my 90-degree north, this is my 90-degree south. 90 minus 23 and a half is 66 and a half. Okay. 90 minus 23 and a half is how much? Anushka, Nikhil, Abhishek, you tell me. 90 minus 66 and a half. How much is it? Sorry, 90 minus 23 and a half. How much it is? No, no. I'm asking 90 minus 23 and a half. 66 and a half. Correct, everyone? So you see, if I draw 66 and a half like this, here also you see 90. This will be 23 and a half. 90 minus 23 and a half is again 66 and a half. This is 66 and a half. This is 66 and a half. This is called Arctic Circle. This is called Antarctic Circle. I have another point. Guess, see this until I'm showing you complete globe. I'm showing you complete globe. Are you able to see entire earth or one part of the earth, guys? Are you able to see entire earth or one part of the earth? One part of the earth. Good. And does it look like circle? Does it look like circle? Does this look like circle? Does moon from far look like circle? Sphere. But you tell me sun and moon from far, does it look like circle or does it look like sphere? So can I say at any point of time, we will always see only half of the earth? At any point of time, do we only see different halves? Different halves. Now you see half like this, half like this, half like this, half. Can I say at any point of time we always see half of the earth? Yes. Guys, now you are the sun. Everyone, now you are the sun. Can you tell me, is this day? You are the sun. Is this day? Yes. Is this night? Is behind night? Front is day, behind is night. Now you tell, I'll turn earth. I'll turn earth. Can I say this is day now? Can I say this is night? Yes. So can I say day and night is separated by one point? You see, am I touching exactly the edge that you can see? So, so the line which separates day and night is called as circle of illumination. It is called circle of illumination. If one side, if one side you have day, another side of circle of illumination you will have night. So what separates day and night? Everyone, for those who did not understand, see this properly. Guys, is this one circle? Can you see this? Can I say this is one circle? And this separates day and night. That is called circle of illumination. Yeah, Mohan. Correct. Everyone, did you draw this? Can you draw? Take time, draw properly. Take time, draw properly. I'll give you 1 minute. Draw properly. Yes, Abhishek. Yes. Yes, Sanjali. Vartika, I'll come to it. We have a lot of other concepts. I'll come to that. Sushmit, yes. Mihir, it depends upon the position of the earth. Wait for some time, we will come to those topics. Once I complete world geography, I'll start with Indian geography. Yeah, Pooja, it's enough. Anjali, I'll teach maps. Once I come to complete atmospheric circulation, it's all maps only. Then you will tell, sir, enough of maps. Done? Everyone? We can draw in pencil, ma'am. That's fine. Not an issue. No, no. Nilanjana, leave those. Not an issue. Now, guys. You write these points. Earth is not straight, but it is tilted at 23.5 degree to vertical line and 66.5 degree horizontal line. (66.5 degrees) to horizontal line. Yes, sir, Umita, visible. Line of, sorry, circle of illumination separates day and night. This point is important. Next, Earth rotates from west to east and day starts in the east first. Day starts in the east first. Done with these? Everyone, circle of illumination separates day and night. I have explained, Dilip. Yeah. Everyone. Yeah, Hayat, you're right. Everyone, enough of the things. Let us talk about revolution. The most important thing is revolutions. I want you people to observe and answer carefully, okay? I want you people to observe and answer carefully. Okay, see guys, this is how Earth is. Okay, this is how Earth is. Now I will turn Earth like this. You see, I am here, I am the sun, Earth is like this. How will the Earth revolve? Earth revolves like this. It will come back. Fine. It will go back like this and it will come back. Okay. Now, everyone will say, when Earth is like this, in front of you, Earth is like this. Okay. Can you see this point, everyone? Can you see this point, everyone? Can you see this point? Yes. Everyone, don't ask questions now. First understand, I will answer all the questions. Most important concept, okay? You see now? I'll rotate slowly. Can you see here also? Can you see here also? Above also, below also, can you see? Can you see both? Can you see both? Yes. Guys, can you all check this line? Okay, this line. Is it almost at the center, guys? This line, is it almost at the center? Yes. Guys, this is equator. This is equator. Okay. So, please see everyone. Earth revolves around the sun in elliptical orbit. Now, on March 21st or 22nd, sun's rays will be exactly near equator. Okay? Yeah. So when sun's rays is exactly near equator, then it is called equinox. Yes. Today or tomorrow. That's fine. You see everyone? What is equinox? Equinox means equal day and equal night. That means everywhere you will have 12 hours of day and 12 hours of night. Everyone, you see here, March 21st or 22nd, sun's rays will fall vertically over equator. When sun's rays is falling vertically over equator, entire earth will have, entire earth will have 24 hours, and then it will have 12 hours of day and 12 hours of night. In front 12 hours, back 12 hours. So it will have 12 hours of day and 12 hours of night. Okay, that is called as equinox. This day, this day is celebrated as Chaitra 1. Yes, everyone, today. Okay. This is called Chaitra 1. Is this clear? This is India's calendar. Indian calendar is based on this. Chaitra 1. Now, everyone, first you see, later I'll tell you other things. Do you have like this? Now, Earth will come like this. Earth will come like this. Okay? Can you tell me, if you look at this, is Earth tilted towards me? Can you all check? Earth tilted towards me? Yes. Fine. You see here, everyone, is Earth tilted towards you? Yes. Okay. Guys, equator is here. Equator is here. Has equator gone down? Has equator gone down? Everyone, equator gone down? Yes. And guys, you see this point. You see this point. Is this the middle? Is this the middle part? Yes. You see, guys, when Earth is tilted, equator has gone down, but this is the middle part. This is the middle part. And that middle part is Tropic of Cancer. That middle part is Tropic of Cancer. Now, can I say sun's rays is falling over Tropic of Cancer Strait? Yes. Is sun's rays falling on Tropic of Cancer Strait? Yes. Can you people tell me now? Can you people tell me now? This is North Pole. This is South Pole. Okay. Are you able to see both North and South, or are you able to see only North? Are you able to see both North and South, or are you able to see only North? Only North. Good. Tanvir, if you are able to see both, I cannot explain anything. Okay. You see, I'm telling you, how are you able to see South? South is towards me. Right? Okay. Now you see, guys, I will rotate once. I will rotate once. I am rotating again and again. Again and again. Are you able to see, even after rotation, only north? Are you able to see southwest? Only north, or are you able to see south? Only north. Good. 24 hours. Are you able to see only north? Yes. My question to you is, now you tell, is northern hemisphere closer to you or southern hemisphere closer to you? You are the sun. You are the sun. Is northern hemisphere closer to you? Southern hemisphere closer to you? Huh. You tell me, if northern hemisphere is closer, will you have summer in the northern hemisphere? Will you have summer in the northern hemisphere? Yes. Will you have winter in the southern hemisphere? Yes. If I say you have summer in the northern hemisphere, will you have winter in the southern hemisphere? Yes. Yes. Third. Can you people think until this point you see, okay? This point. Can you see 24 hours that point? You are the sun. Can you see 24 hours same point? Yes. And guys, below this part, okay, you see 24 hours. Are you able to see that? No. Okay, you tell me, guys, if sun is visible for 24 hours, can I call 24 hours day? If sun is visible for 24 hours, can I call 24 hours day? If sun is not visible for 24 hours, can I call 24 hours night? Yes, you tell me, in this position, India, will it have summer or will it have winter? In this position, India is in northern hemisphere. Will we have summer or will we have winter? Summer. Good. Summer season. Can you tell me, will day length be more or will it be less? Summer season, day length will be more or will it be less? Okay. Can you see, is northern hemisphere closer to the sun? So will you have more day? Southern hemisphere is far from the sun. Can I say you will have more night? Yes. Guys, this date is called as June 21st. June 21st or 22nd. On June 21st or 22nd, can you tell sun's rays is vertical over Hayat, please. On June 21st or 22nd, sun's rays is vertical, not over equator. Please Like, just now I taught, is vertical over good, good height. Tropic of Cancer. So there will be, there will be. Can you tell me which season in northern hemisphere? Summer in northern hemisphere and winter in southern hemisphere. Good. Okay. Guys, can you tell me summer means more day and less night? Yeah. Thank you, Anjali. Longer day and shorter night. Uh, Aditi, horizontal like this, but we human beings are standing like this on earth. So we say it is falling vertical to us. Anushka, earth is tilted. Okay, earth is tilted, so only earth will receive less. Less. First, write down. Summer means longer day and shorter night. That is unequal day and night. Fine. Can I move? When there is unequal day and night, it is called solstice. It is called solstice. Yes, Lakshma Reddy, it's applied to entire world. When there is unequal day and night, it is called solstice. Yes, can you tell the word? If you have equal day and night, it is called as what? If it is equal day and night, it is called as what? Equinox. Good. If you have equal day and night, it will be called as equinox. If you have unequal day and night, it is called as solstice. Okay, it is called solstice. And guys, in northern hemisphere, it is called summer solstice. It is called summer solstice. Do you understand the meaning? June 21st. June 21st. Is it like summer in the northern hemisphere? June 21st, is it summer in the northern hemisphere? And at the same time, do you have unequal day and night? So can we call it as summer solstice? Summer solstice? Yes. Okay. Can you tell me where will you have 24 hours day and where will you have 24-hour night, guys? On June 21st, North Pole, above Arctic Circle, North Pole above Arctic Circle is, above Arctic Circle will have day. North Pole above Arctic Circle will have day for 24 hours and sun will not set in North Pole. Norway, Sweden, Finland are present in this part. Same point. South Pole will have 24 hours night and sun will not rise. Guys, can you people tell me, India, will it have longest day or will it have shortest day during this time? India will have longest day during June 21st or 22nd. No, okay. Guys, North Pole will not have 24 hours night throughout. Okay, North Pole will not have 24 hours day for 6 months. No, that is false. Only on this day it will have 24 hours. Just now, do you recollect March 21st or 22nd? Guys, you only tell. On March 21st or 22nd, what did you observe? Entire earth, will it have equal day and night? Will it have equal day and night? Entire earth? Yes, that means even in the North Pole you will have 12 hours day, 12 hours night. Even in the South Pole you will have 12 hours day and 12 hours night. Only on June 21st, sun doesn't set above Arctic Circle. On June 21st, sun doesn't rise above or below, okay, below Antarctic Circle. Are you done with this? Did you write this? Done. Good. Guys, okay. Please see and tell. In this, which one will have 24-hour day? Which one will have 0 night? Which one, guys? North Pole, good. North Pole, good. Can you tell me, if I come if I come towards the equator, if I come towards the equator, can you tell me, will day length increase or will it decrease? Day length decreases or increases? Very good, very good. You tell me, when I come to South Pole, from North Pole to South Pole, if I keep coming, day length, will it decrease or increase, guys? Okay. Lot of people are telling increases. Okay. Can you people tell me, think and tell. Those people who are telling increase, you think and tell. Is this 24 hours day? Is this 24 hours night? This is 24-hour night. This is 24-hour day. So from 24 hours day to 24 hours night, if I have to come, obviously day has to reduce, no? Day has to reduce, no? Here 24 hours day, here 24 hours night. Near equator, what will you have, guys? Near equator, what will you have? Will you have exactly 12 and 12? Near equator, will you have 12 and 12? Yes. I want you to remember this point. Everyone, I want you to remember this point. Even as fact. Okay. At at equator, irrespective of seasons, day and night is always equal. That is 12 hours of day and 12 hours of night. So guys, everyone see here, northern hemisphere 0 degree, 30 degree north, 60 degree north, 90 degree north. Day length, night length. Near equator, it is always 12 hours of day, 12 hours of night. Near 90 degree, I will have 24 hours of day, 0 hours of night. So if I go 12 hours will become 14 hours, 14 hours will become 16 hours, 16 hours will become 24 hours, 12 hours will become 10 hours, 10 hours will become 8 hours. See guys, day is increasing, not near equator throughout the year, guys. Near equator throughout the year. Night is decreasing. Do you all agree? Is day increasing and night decreasing? Yes. So can you people tell me one thing? On June 21st, as latitude increases, day length, Anurag, it's just calculated time. Don't worry about it. Okay, don't worry about it. On June 21st, as latitude increase, day length increases. I want you to write this, guys, everyone. Vartika, yes, it is only on this. Yeah. Vinay, Vinay, table, you see, table, what I'm trying to tell, latitude. Poles, equator. This is equator, this is poles. Near poles, you will have 24 hours day, 0 night. Near equator, you will have 12 hours day, 12 hours night. So if I go from equator to poles, day length increases. If I go from equator to poles, night length decreases. Hours, don't worry, don't by heart hours. I just want you to know the concept. Did you draw this? Yes, yes, this is for June 21st. Okay. Everyone, 2 minutes. 2 minutes. I will ask you questions. I want you to answer this. Okay. Kavita, yes, it happens only on June 21st. Latitude increase means moving from 0 to 90. Dilip, yes. Dilip, yes. Guys, Dilip is asking, are you telling same concept in different ways? Yes. Because every year one question is there on revolution and rotation. Unfortunately, students are getting confused. So I'm teaching the same concept in different languages. Yeah. Yahya, equator will have 12 hours of day and 12 hours of night because of the circumference. Don't worry about it. Okay? But just remember it. Showing you practically in this environment is difficult. That's why. Yeah, we can say axis. Everyone, you see. Shashi, poles will also have 12 hours of day and 12 hours of night on March 21st. On March 21st, it will be same everywhere. We know nothing is perfect. All these are assumptions. Okay. Don't say equator is not perfect. So why should we consider? Nothing is perfect. All these are assumptions. Everyone, I'm telling you again and again. I'm telling you again and again. Equator will always have 12 hours of day and 12 hours of night, because at any point of time only half of equator is visible to the sun, other half is not visible to the sun, because equator is the highest latitude. At any point, however you rotate, equator will always be seen half. So we say equator will always have 12 hours of day and 12 hours of night. Beyond this, if you want, please see in YouTube some videos which try to show why it is. Okay, because in this setup I can't explain you exactly. It is a factual data. If you remember, that's easier. Guys, when do you have longest day in India? When do you have longest day in India? When do you have longest day in India? I don't know. 15 people have voted first half of June. Guys, June 21st is in second half of June, guys. Okay. Next. Don't be in a hurry, guys. You see, I'm telling you one thing. Rotation revolution, if you do mistake, God should save you. Okay, rotation revolution, if you do mistake, God should save you in the exam. Above Arctic Circle, below Antarctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, Capricorn. That's what I'm trying to tell. Some wonder should happen for you to clear the exam. See guys, next question. On June 21st, on June 21st, sunrise will, sunset will never happen in which of the above? Okay, on June 21st, sunset will never happen in which of the above? On June 21st, sunset will never happen in which of the above? Okay. People have given Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn also. 9 people have given Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn. Good. Okay. Guys, next one. On June 21st, sun rays will be vertical over. On June 21st, sun's rays will be vertical over. Okay. Last one. Last one. Delhi, Srinagar, Hyderabad, Bangalore. On June 21st, on June 21st, longest day, will be in which city? On June 21st, longest day will be in which city? Everyone think and tell. As latitude increases, day length increases. Good, good. But more people have given Delhi. Guys, where is Srinagar? Where is Srinagar? Latitude wise, is it above or is it below? Above Delhi. You tell me, as we move from equator to poles, day length increases or decreases? Day increases. Huh. You tell me, will Delhi be having more or Srinagar will be having more? Srinagar. Good. Okay, guys. I'll give you remaining tomorrow. Thank you.